We're headed to the Chickenjoy Supermassive Meet hosted by some of our friends, and I'm taking the turbo out, so let's get going. See you later, Cayenne. First things first, we're picking up Jeric. What's up, Jeric?
What's up, you?
Set up your ghost mount?
Yeah.
Nice. Finishing touches. This ghost mount right here. So long.
No.
What happened?
It's not compatible.
What do you mean?
It's not compatible with my mic thing. My mic
What?
attachment.
This thing is so crazy. Oh, that's what it looks like?
Yeah. I'll probably go
Nice.
lower.
Lower on the trunk?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. There you go. Around there should be good. Alright.
Alright, Jeric said it's too much work. So, abort. No ghost mount today, y'all.
It's a little hassle too.
It's cool though.
I'll figure out another day, another meet.
This is really cool though. It's all carbon fiber. It's like handmade, I guess, which is why it takes so long to order, but pretty cool stuff. Would have been cool to bring this. Gonna stop for a quick bathroom break, but we're back on the road. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. God, this car always just looks so good to me. Pulling up to Starbucks. Alright, we made it to the pre-meet. Let's go walk around and maybe get a cup of coffee because it's like 4 p.m. and I haven't had my second cup for the day and I need it. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Long time no see, man.
Likewise.
See you.
Long time no see.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm loving it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
Alright, I guess we're doing rollers. Dude, I like the harness setup. Nice. We're like 15 minutes away from Jollibee, so I think that's more than enough time to get all these cars going. Alright, let's head out. Man, that 996 turbo is so nice. I gotta come back, check it out. Okay. We found a spot. We got Johnny right here. We got the caravan that came from the pre-meet. And we're all just posted up outside of Le Schwab. Hey, I like the color. Twins. What's up, bro? Long time no see, bro. How you doing, man?
Good.
Bro, the car's looking good. Oh, look at that carbon fiber. Bro, you are an artiste. This is my first time seeing this one in person.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Because I always see you in the Lexus, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You laid all this carbon fiber yourself, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's insane, you guys. Look at this fitment. It's so dialed in. Some Wedge wheels, too. Oh, this is so clean. This makes me want a Corvette so bad. Guys, Rome's build's insane. And of course, signature Rome, you got the Henny dispenser. Oof. These stickers, though.
You want some French fries?
Hey.
Or some peach mango pies, bro?
All right, bro. All right. All right, guys, we got our stickers. Just put mine on right there. Oh, yeah. I'm running out of window space on the other side. We couldn't show up here and not get Jollibee. Oh, it's all sticky. I know, I see that. That's all I'm like, ooh. All right, guys, we're off to a bad start. I got a 6-piece Korean barbecue bucket. Everything's sticky. I don't think the 6-piece bucket was worth it, but you know what? I was hungry, and now I'm not. Nice. Ooh. All right, let's go walk around, see what's here. All right, y'all, we're stuck. We are legitimately stuck. Jeric is halfway behind the canopy and all the way behind this M4. So if we just leave in my car and come back for the cars, we'll be all right. Oh, look at this though, Zircon. The turbo sounded crazy on this earlier, and I like the license plate. Bad V10. Let's check it out. Oh, that's crazy. This is so clean. Check out this E36. I'm loving these clear tails right here. Alright, bro. Give it to you. Yeah, I think I have a thing for clear tails right now, guys. This is so sick.
Or good base.
Oh, right-hand drive. man. You look foggy and I'm all red. Good seeing you, bro. All right, guys, we're getting ready to head out. It is 9:11 p.m. That is the perfect time to leave. Woo! Ow. All right, guys, we went to the nearest gas station because we're about to head back to San Jose. It's late and we're tired. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. This was a great event. Jeric, did you enjoy?
I did.
Yeah, that was really fun, right?
That was fun.
Yeah, man, it's always good hanging out with good people. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the people that we ran into today, got to catch up with, really glad we had a chance to. And by the way, I'm so glad I get to share this hobby with my little brother. Like, it's just so cool having both of us out at the same time, enjoying cars, going to car meets. And I mean, honestly, this Boxster is so nice. Love that thing. And I miss it. But anyways, alright y'all, till next time, peace.